In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an hyperrealistic AI UGC video. And this is the result of this tutorial.
Okay, my hair was falling out a lot. I found clumps in the shower. I grabbed this Pantene bamboo and after 3 weeks, it's falling out way less. Seriously, I'm obsessed.
So to create this video, first of all, we need to go to Novo Ads AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and to create the hyperrealistic UGC video, first of all, we need to create an image that after we're going to pass it to the video AI as a reference. So let's go to the image section, and here I'm going to paste the following prompt. This is a very simple prompt that is in the comment section, but as you can see, it's very simple. I simply say that I want a woman to hold a product that is a bottle of shampoo and then some details. But now we have to click here in reference, and here we have to upload the image of our product. So now we have to go to settings. Here I prefer the model GPT image 2, so let's use this one. And in quality, we're going to use the medium quality. This because it's much cheaper than the high quality, and in my opinion, the quality is really similar. So now we have to click this button, and now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the images, and now we have to choose the one we like the most. Personally, I like this one, so now we have to download it, and now we have to go to the video section. Now in settings, in model, we can use Seedance 2.0 or Clink 3.0. In this case, I'm going to use Clink, but as I said, you can use any of these two. So now we have to click here and upload the image that we downloaded. Now here, I'm going to paste the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section, as well as the other. And now we have to click here. Finally click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it.
Okay, my hair was falling out a lot. I found clumps in the shower. I grabbed this Pantene bamboo and after 3 weeks, it's falling out way less. Seriously, I'm obsessed.
Perfect. I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot. The video looks really realistic, and the quality of the camera, as you can see, is better than the one I'm using right now. Literally, this girl looks more realistic than me. So if you want to do a video like this one, you can try today Novo Ads AI for just $1 and do a video like this one. And actually, the prompts are in the comment section. So after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.